It's the battle between 2024 mini twists and 2025 mini braids. Want to know which one was most effective? Keep on watching. Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Since the end of 2025 is drawing near, I wanted to do a little recap of my 2025 protective styles. But before we jump into that, I have to take a quick blast to the past and reflect on my babies, my lovely mini twists. In 2024, I wore mini twists for the entire year as my protective style, and I absolutely loved it. I retained so much length and thickness, and I fully embraced the Indigenous Strandz hair care methods using all natural products like soap nut shampoo, aloe vera juice, olive oil, castor oil, and flaxseed gel, and my hair truly flourished. So for 2025, here's a quick recap of the protective styles I rocked. Mostly mini braids, twists, and wash and go styles. But I went a little astray this year. I also applied heat and straightened my hair a few more times than usual this year. Last year, I was strictly minimal to no heat, but in 2025, I found myself reaching for the flat iron every couple of months. Thankfully, my hair hasn't suffered from any heat damage, and I credit that to fully saturating my strands with heat protectant before applying heat. That extra step made all the difference. Now back to my healthy protective styles. I have to say, I was very impressed with the mini braids, and they were super low maintenance, and I didn't have to rebraid a single one during the entire 2 months I kept them in. My hair retained about 2.5 inches in just those 2 months, and the takedown was incredibly easy, way easier than I expected. I guess the theme for this year was herbal tea rinses. In the spring, I saturated my hair with hibiscus tea, and in the winter, I switched to a mix of green tea, nettle, and rosemary. Tea rinses are incredibly beneficial for the hair. They strengthen the strands, reduce breakage, and stop shedding right in its tracks. Scalp massages is the most underrated powerhouse when it comes to stimulating hair growth. I actually break this down in detail in my How to Grow Healthy Hair to Waist Length ebook. If you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and grab your copy. The link is in the description. So after about a month of wearing my mini braids, I wanted to jazz things up a little bit, so I sectioned them into twists to create a soft wavy effect, just to turn it up a notch. One of the best things about mini braids and twists is how versatile they are. You can restyle them into cute new looks while still keeping your hair protected. As long as you avoid too much pulling and stay away from styles that are too tight. So after completing my 2-month mini braid challenge, I measured right at about 2 inches of growth. Now on to the twist. I twisted my hair into jumbo twists so I can give my hair some real TLC, using my aloe vera juice, olive oil, castor oil, and flaxseed gel regimen throughout the week, or whenever needed. The main difference I noticed between mini braids and twists is the level of upkeep. Twists require more attention because they're easier to unravel, and since they're looser, they don't hold moisture as long as braids do. With mini braids, I can get away with moisturizing once a week, but with twists, I found myself rehydrating and moisturizing every few days. Don't get me wrong, I love my twists. They just require me to be in the mood for them. The best thing you can do for your hair is to only do it when you truly feel up to it. Never do your hair when you're tired or stressed, because it won't be good. Trust me, I've lost plenty of strands that way. For 2025, I credit my hair health and growth success to mini braids and twists, the Indigenous Strandz regimen, my hair growth oil, herbal tea rinses, consistent scalp massages. I also did a dynamic scalp massage challenge with my members, and it really helped me get consistent again with scalp massaging. I've gotten great feedback from the members, and it's been so motivating. If you haven't joined yet, become a member today and check out the 7-day scalp massage challenge. You'll be glad you did. Hey beauties, I got some exciting news. Channel memberships are here. When you join, you'll get access to exclusive perks like fun challenges, more in-depth hair care tips, behind-the-scenes content, personalized advice, product discounts, and so much more. This is our special space to connect on a deeper level, share our hair journeys, and grow together as a true beauty community. So don't miss out. Hit that join button today and let's level up our hair care journey together. Link in the description and comment section. If I had to choose between mini braids and twists for the most effective style, I'd go with mini braids, simply because of the convenience. But honestly, both styles are equally effective in their own unique ways. I'll definitely continue wearing both throughout the year to maintain strong, healthy, thriving hair. That's it for this video, but let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Do you have any healthy hair goals for 2026? Mine are basically rinse and repeat, except I won't be using as much heat as I did in 2025. I'm aiming for minimal heat in 2026. What about you, beauties? Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.